What's up, guys? Wanted to jump on here. I got a Zoom call here in like 5 minutes, but we got through Saturday for this offer, so I wanted to jump on here and make sure everybody who's in that wants to get in gets in before Saturday. So here's the 3 plans. This first one is basically everything you need as far as funnels. You're going to get unlimited funnels, unlimited websites. You get the chat widget to do some lead generation. You get a calendar system and workflows and automation, so you can do all your follow-ups. The only thing you don't get on this is all of the call features, texting, IVRs, stuff like that. So anything to do with phone or SMS won't be included in this, but you can do email through here. So basically, if you want funnels only, you can go with this plan for $597. If you also want to integrate SMS marketing and follow-up, you can choose the unlimited plan. You're going to get more value out of this plan overall. If you want help actually setting up your entire system, getting your funnel created, and 1 month of free ad services, you can go with this. I'm working with a client right now in about 5 minutes, setting up some ads for them in the real estate niche. So check that out. There should be a link below just to see some of the funnels you can get. There's over 90, I think close to 100 I've included in this. Here's like a pest service one. It's pretty clean looking. You guys can edit these for your niche and stuff like that as well. But really clean looking templates. So you don't have to start from scratch. You can also instantly import any ClickFunnels funnel using just the URL. So here's a fitness one. This one's a real estate developer. We've got a plumbing one here, plumbing services, life insurance, and over 90 funnels in total ready to go for you. You can also create as many as you want. So you can compare that to the ClickFunnels 97 a month plan. Instead of paying $97 a month, you pay $597 one time and get unlimited funnels for life on that. If you also want to do text message marketing, you want to set up an inbound IVR system. Like if you were to call 319-250-6868, if you call this number, you can hear my inbound IVR and choose some of those options. Like press 1, I think would give you a free trial. Press 2 forwards to my cell. Press 3 sends you a link to my calendar. You can set that kind of stuff up. So I'm also including that. I'll actually build one of those for you inside Twilio. So no matter what platform you use in the future, you'll have that. That's going to be included in my course right here for creating a professional IVR system. I'm going to be selling this for $97. I'm also recreating my SMS marketing automation course, tailoring it specifically for Legendary. And I'm creating a motivated seller leads course. So I'll be including these in this bundle as well. Once these are released, you'll get access to these for free. This is going to be $97. This will be a $27, more of a lead magnet course that'll run paid ads too. And this will probably be $27 too. But you guys can get those for free as well. So feel free to drop some comments below or shoot me a DM if you're interested in this offer or have any questions. You can also fill in this little widget at the bottom here. So I'll put your name and phone number, and that will prompt a sales bridge message on my end. So I'll be able to get a phone call and connect to you just by pressing 1, which is a powerful feature on this unlimited plan. Well, with that being said, I got to jump on this Zoom. I'll catch up with you guys soon, and might see a couple more videos before Saturday. So if anyone's interested, that is the deadline, the 31st. And hope to see you guys on the platform. Other than that, I'll catch you on the next video.